job currently you're doing? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. You're planning for a change, and see, if you're working Java means we must have some database backgrounds also. Fine. Right. So, have you gone through any of these things? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, I mean, be able to receive anything, define comparable. Okay. Mm-hmm. That was very old version here. Okay. Uh, so what's his name? He's taken up trying. Okay. Fine, okay, okay. Oh, very good, right. So he's in DIE. Okay, fine. Right then. So what is SAP stands for? What is SAP? Uh-huh. Okay. So it is Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. SAP stands for. I will come to SAP Business Warehouse, don't worry. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing, and it was found in way back 1972, headquartered in Germany. It is headquartered in Germany, and it was found by 5 ex-IBM employees. The founders of it was from IBM, and even it was found in 1972. It took 18 years for them to launch their first product. The first product of SAP was in 1990, and the product was SAP R2. Real-time, R stands for real-time two-tier architecture. Real-time two-tier architecture, SAP R2. And then they have gone for, that day, when the mainframes was doing very much better. So they have gone for DB2, that is SAP R2. Then SAP R3, R stands for real-time three-tier architecture this time. Now most of the clients are based on Oracle. Most of the packages are based on Oracle itself. So both are ERP packages from SAP. R2 and R3 both are ERP packages from SAP. So this particular ERP package divided in terms of two different areas. That ERP is divided in terms of two different areas. One is technical, second one functional. One is technical, second one functional. Technically, you got a language, that is about 4, and functionally, these are the applications. Logistics, accounting, and HR. Functionally, these are the applications. Logistics, accounting, and HR. Again, logistics is divided in terms of say, different areas like sales and distribution, inventory, purchasing, right. Production planning, quality management, likewise you've got 15 business applications. And when it comes to accounting, majorly it is these are the sub-applications related to your functional applications, Arun. So when it comes to accounting, majorly it is divided in terms of FX, stands for financial information. Second one, CO, stands for controlling. Stands for controlling. Right. Then third one, HR, human resource. So related to FI, about some other applications like accounts payable, accounts receivable, general ledger, special ledger, likewise. So as of now, you need not to worry, we'll talk about it later. So controlling, that is profitability analysis. Controlling is divided in terms of these areas: profitability analysis, product cost controlling, general cost controlling, like this. The third one is HR, human resource. So these are the functional applications related to logistics. So I am talking these, functional applications. Since ours is we are going to talk about SAP BW, right? What is BW? Right. What is the warehouse then? Right. Storage point, you can say. So what is that we are going to store? We are going to store the data, right? So we are going to get always this data from functional applications. Always we are going to get the data from functional applications. That is the reason why I'm just telling you these functional applications. That's what. Right. So this is about your SAP R2 and R3. And regarding the versions related to this, your resume is going to feature your versions as well. So regarding these versions, you've got very old versions like 4.5, 6B, 6C, 4.7 Enterprise Edition. Now the latest versions is 5.0 and 6.0. That's it. ERP Central Component. ERP Central Component. So these are the, yeah. No, not for BW. This is for your R3 system. This is for, these are the versions for these things. Technical and functional versions. So this is your ERP package. BW is not part of your ERP package. Altogether it is a different solution. That's what. Just hold on. Sorry. So similarly, you got some other solutions from SAP. Like you got SAP CRM, that is Customer Relationship Management. Yes. Customer Relationship Management. And you got SAP SCM, that is Supply Chain Management. And people used to say that it as well Advanced Planner and Optimizer. Right. Then you got other solutions from SAP. SAP MDM. Master Data Management. Correct. Right. You got C1 integration application, that is SAP XI or PI, Process Integrator. Process integrator. PA stands for process integrator. So I'm trying to outline what are the different set of solutions from SAP. Right. SAP XIRPA. Then, so this is an integration application which is going to integrate SAP, non-SAP platform into SAP environment. Let's say, for example, you got some third-party database server. So from this third-party database, you want to pull the data to SAP system. So there might, see, the data format might not be always acceptable to the SAP systems, right? So the third-party database data format is different, let's say, for example. So what is that? We are going to deploy one integration module like XIRPA, so which is going to convert this non-SAP data into SAP acceptable format. It's going to convert non-SAP data into SAP acceptable format. This is going to, in simple, it is an integration application which can integrate non-SAP systems into SAP platform. That's all. Getting my point? Getting it, Arun? Right. So similarly, we got the SAP Business Warehouse or Business Information Warehouse or Business Intelligence. See, why these many naming conventions? This is because of all your set of versions, like it has got different versions like 1.x, 2.0a, 3.0a, 3.0b, 3.1c, 3.5, and 7.0. So this is the latest version. The next coming version is 7.3. Next coming version is 7.3. That's what. HL 3.5 was known as Business Warehouse or Business Information Warehouse. Then 7.0, so due to some additional reporting tools, it is changed to Business Intelligence. In 7.0, due to some additional reporting tools, it's been changed to Business Intelligence. Right. So the next coming version is 7.3, and as of now, the latest version in the market is 7.0. Getting my point? So as of now, the latest version is 7.0 and the next coming version is 7.3. But meanwhile, there are some acquisitions. What is this? Vivo. So this is a third party BI tool acquired by SAP for $2 billion. Acquired by SAP for $2 billion. So these Vivo BI tools are going to be included to the next version. So these business object BI tools are going to be included to the next version of Business Warehouse or Business Intelligence. Right. So that is the reason why again the naming is changed back to Business Warehouse. It's not the BI now, so you have to call it as Business Warehouse 7.0, Business Warehouse 7. Is that clear? And see, these are the products with respect to enterprise business, means to say large scale business, Arun. With respect to small and medium scale business, so with respect to SMB, small and medium scale business, SAP has given a specific package, that is SAP B1, Business 1. With respect to small and medium scale business, SAP has given a specific package, that is Business 1, right, B1, Business 1. Right. And say, you got some industry specific solutions from SAP. SAP IS, IS stands for industry specific, like IS, retail, oil and gas, utilities, consumer goods, pharma. Likewise, you got some industry-specific solutions from SAP. That's what. See, pharma, insurance, defense. Likewise, there are many industry-specific solutions. IS stands for industry-specific. Then you got some service-oriented architecture from SAP. What is this service-oriented architecture? I'm going to talk to you. So that is NetWeaver, where you have got two different versions related to NetWeaver. One is 2004, second one is 2004 ES. One is 2004, second one is 2004 ES. S stands for Service Pack. So as of now, it is Service Pack 18. Right. So this is a small overview regarding your different set of solutions from SAP. Now let us concentrate on SAP Business Warehouse. I just want to concentrate on SAP Business Warehouse. So what is this? So it is a data warehousing system as well as decision support system. So what is this data warehouse and what is this decision support system? It is a data warehousing system as well as decision support system. So what is this data warehouse? What is this decision support system? So it is a collection of, the data warehouse is a collection of historical data of a business application. So always we are going to play around business applications and historical data related to different business applications like sales history, inventory, purchasing, likewise. Inventory, purchasing, likewise. And always this is specific to some time intervals. The historical data related to last 3 weeks, otherwise last 3 months, last 3 years. So you can say it as specific to a time interval. Is that clear? I'm talking about data warehousing system. This is a collection of historical data of a business application and related to a specific time interval. So what is this time interval? Like 3 weeks, 3 months. See, it's not definitely, it can be anything. Just to mention some time interval, I've just given this. 6 months or 6 years, 20 years, like this. So simple, in layman words, it is a collection of historical data of a business application and related to a time interval, specific to a time interval, that's what. Now, let me tell you what is the decision support system. So, I just want to tell you what is the decision support system. See, in the course of the business, there are many business applications, right? And there are many business transactions which are related to different business applications like sales and distribution, purchasing, inventory, production, like this. Related to each and every business application, there are some business roles. Like if you take out sales and distribution, what is the business role? Sales manager. So if you take out purchasing, so what is that? You got purchase manager. If you take out inventory, you got inventory managers. And if you take out some other application, let's say production, you got some production managers. So what is their responsibility? So if you take out sales manager, see, every business role has got some specific responsibility. So if you take out sales manager, his responsibility is always concerned with sales performance. Let's say he is taking a decision regarding next 3 months sales. Let's say he is taking a decision regarding next 3 months sales. So before taking a decision regarding next 3 months sales, he has to take a look at what is the last 3 months sales. What is the last 3 months sales? Otherwise, what is year on year? What is year till date? Like this, you have to take a look into some of the information, right? So all this information is there in warehousing system On the warehousing system, we are supposed to generate the reports so that we can provide required reports to the business use. So what I mean to say, so being a decision support system, it has to generate required reports as per the roles of the organization. As per the roles of the organization. That's all. Getting my point? As per the roles of the organization, we are supposed to generate the reports. And these reports are always multi-dimensional reports. What is that multi-dimensional report? I'll talk to you later. These reports are always multi-dimensional reports. So as per the rules of the organization, we are supposed to generate these multi-dimensional reports. And all the multi-dimensional reports can be generated by using your BI systems or decision support. So I was talking to you two different words. One is data warehouse, where we are going to store the data. Second one, decision support system, where we are going to generate the reports, also known as BI system. Is that clear? Any doubts? Arun? Arun, any doubts? Okay. Yeah. Arun, can you hear me? Yeah. So in simple, I told you, what is SAP Business Warehouse? It is a data warehousing system. It is a decision support system. So I just want to tell you some other different terminology. So what is this OLTP? So what is ETL? So what is data warehouse? And what is BA tool? And what is distribution? I just want to explain all these things now. All this information, these are the keywords which we are going to use as part of our BI curriculum. So what is OLTP? Online transaction processing systems. So what is that we are going to do with these systems? Day-to-day operational data is maintained. Like for example, your ATM system, right? Otherwise, your reservation systems. Using OLTP systems, you can maintain our day-to-day business transactions. You can maintain our day-to-day business transactions. That's what OLTP system, online transaction processing system, which is meant for your day-to-day business operational data. But we cannot keep the data in this particular system for a long time. So always we do maintain in this system the real-time data. Hardly we do maintain not more than 6 months. Max, we do maintain the data in this particular system not more than 6 months. Getting my point? So this is meant for only most real-time business data, right? But still, the decision making of the organization is dependent on your historical data, right? So somewhere you have to maintain your historical data. That is where the data warehouse comes into picture. So up to 20 years also, you can keep the data in this particular system. So data warehouse is meant for your historical data. Getting my point? So LGP has got all the business transactions, and data warehouse, which is meant for your historical data. But see, so from this particular system, you are supposed to move the data to warehousing system. The transactions are not happening here. The business transactions are getting updated here. From this particular system, we are supposed to move the data to warehousing system. So this saving is nothing but ETL. What is ETL stands for? Extraction, data transformation, and data loading. So from OLTP system using ETL, we are moving data to warehousing system. Right? There are many ETL tools in the market like Informatica, which we are not going to use. We have got our own this things, extractors, you can say. So data stage, likewise, we have got different ETL tools in the market. Getting a point? Right. So on the top of the warehouse, So why you are maintaining historical data? It is to generate the reports, right? So on the top of the warehouse, we are going to deploy a BA tool using which we are going to generate the required reports. The kind of reports we are going to generate is multi-dimensional. After generating the reports, we are supposed to distribute the report unless it is reached to the business user. Generating reports is just mere waste. So you are supposed to distribute the report to the printer to have a printed report, and we can distribute to mail, we can distribute to mobile. Now, is that clear? Getting my point? Portal service, all this. That's right. So I'm trying to give you small information life cycle. So OLTP, where you got all the business data from OLTP system using ETL, we are staging data to data warehousing system. On the top of the warehouse, we are using some BA tools which is generating required. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. On the top of the warehouse, we are deploying BA tools which can generate the reports, that is multi-dimensional reports. After that, we are supposed to distribute the reports. So in the market, there are many BA tools also, like Cognos BA, Hyperion. Likewise, there are many BA tools. Microsoft BA, likewise, there are many BA tools in the market. Getting my point? Right. So any doubt in this life cycle? Right. Right. Okay. So this is a system architecture I'm supposed to explain to you. So this is our BW system architecture, Arun. And I just want to know, do you okay if I take up the sessions during weekends, Arun? At least for this week. Since there are some technical issues, I could not able to complete the other sessions. I cannot discontinue those sessions now. So weekend, Saturday and Sunday I'll take up for you. 2 hours, Saturday and Sunday, 2 hours I'll take up. Yes, 8:30 Central. 8:30 Central time probably. Yeah. Next weekend. This weekend I'll take up. Probably for you 6:30 Central is okay, or it is too early for you? No, you're not in Central time zone, right? Then okay. 6:30 Central is okay, right? Fine, no problem then. Okay, no problem. Saturday I'll take up 2 hours, and Sunday shall I take up in the evening to you? No problem. I'll just make it. Then so we'll do one thing. Uh, Saturday morning 6:30 Central. Right, no problem, right? I'm just telling you the schedule. Is that okay? Yes. This Saturday, 7:30. 7:30. And regarding Sunday schedule, we'll just discuss on Saturday itself. Right? So we are meeting 6:30 Central and 7:30 Eastern. Right? No issues. Fine, fine, no problem. Then we'll meet on Saturday.